Question 2D. Compute the inverse of 25 mod 97. The greatest common divisor of 97 and 25 must be 1. If not equal to 1, then the inverse of 25 mod 97 does not exist. (97) divided by 25. Well, 25 goes 3 times, 22 over, so 3 and 22 25ths, which implies that 97 is equal to 3 times 25 plus 22, which implies that the greatest common divisor of 97 and 25 is equal to the greatest common divisor of 25 and 22. 25 divided by 22 is 1 and 3 over 22, which means that 25 is equal to 1 times 22 plus 3, which implies that the greatest common divisor of 25 and 22 is equal to the greatest common divisor of 22 and 3. 22 divided by 3 is equal to 7 and 1/3. Implies that 22 is equal to 7 times 3 plus 1. That implies that the greatest common divisor of 22 and 3 is equal to 1. So the greatest common divisor of 97 and 25 is equal to 1, and that implies that the inverse of 25 mod 97 exists. We have these 3 important equations, which we can rearrange. So this one can be written as 1 is equal to 22 minus 7 times 3. This one, meanwhile, can be rewritten as 3 is equal to 25 minus 1 times 22 is 22. And then finally, this one can be written as 22 is equal to 97 minus 3 times 25. So starting from here, 1 is equal to 22 minus 7 times 3. And we replace the 3 by, from this equation, 25 minus 22, which tells us that 1 is equal to 22, and minus 7 times a minus is a plus 7, so that's 8 times 22 minus 7 times 25. From this equation here, 22 can be replaced by 97 minus 3 times 25. And there's also a minus 7 times 25. So that 1 is equal to 8 times 97. And in total, we have 8 times minus 3 is 24, and another minus 7, all multiplied by 25. So that's minus 31 times 25. So all of that means that minus 31 times 25 plus 8 times 97 is congruent to 1 mod 97. Of course, 8 times 97 is congruent to 0 mod 97. So minus 31 times 25 is congruent to 1 mod 97. Therefore, the inverse of 25 is congruent to minus 31 mod 97, because that's exactly what the inverse means, the number that multiplies 25 to give 1 in modulo 97 arithmetic. If we add 97 to our minus 31, we get that the inverse of 25 is congruent to 66 mod 97.